Ellipse drawing in technical drawing. An ellipse is a geometric shape formed by the section or projection of a circular surface on an inclined plane. When a cylinder is cut by a plane perpendicular to its axis, the section obtained is a circle. However, when the cutting plane is inclined to the axis, the section becomes an ellipse. Similarly, when a cone is cut by an inclined plane, an ellipse is formed. As the inclination of the cutting plane increases, the relationship between the major axis and the minor axis of the ellipse changes. For this reason, the ellipse is an important sectional shape for representing rotational objects such as cylinders and cones correctly in technical drawing. An ellipse can also be understood through the projection of a circle. When a circle is viewed directly from the front, it appears as a true circle. However, when the circular surface is rotated around its axis and placed in an inclined position, its projection changes and appears as an ellipse. The appearance of a circular surface depends on its position relative to the projection plane. When the circle is parallel to the projection plane, it is seen in its true shape as a circle. This is the most accurate view of the circular surface. When the circular surface is inclined to the projection plane, its projection becomes an ellipse. As the inclination increases, the difference between the major and minor axes becomes more noticeable, and the ellipse appears flatter. When the circular surface becomes perpendicular to the projection plane, it no longer appears as an area. In this case, its projection is seen only as a straight line representing the edge of the circle. These three basic views are important for understanding how circular surfaces are represented in technical drawing. In the circle method, an ellipse is drawn with the help of two circles. First, two circles are drawn, one corresponding to the major axis and the other to the minor axis of the ellipse. Then, both circles are divided into equal parts. From the division points, horizontal and vertical construction lines are drawn. The intersection points obtained from these construction lines determine the path of the ellipse. Finally, these points are connected smoothly using a French curve. In this way, the ellipse is completed as a clean, continuous, and accurate curve.